just getting sticky, sticky, sticky. I just get sticky, sticky, sticky. What are you saying, guys? Dante back with another video, and today's video is going to be a review and unboxing of the Owens Geobasket. So let's get right into it. You know, before I get into the video, I have to do a quick fit check or show you what I'm wearing. And right now, I'm not wearing anything too crazy, something calm, but this is from my brand Exile, and this is actually not releasing. This was a sample. What we are releasing is a tracksuit, so it comes with a pants and a zip-up hoodie, and there's also a tee. So that's what's releasing in this collection. This was just a sample, but to check that out and our brand, you could go on our website at Exiled from Society or our website exiledfromsociety.com. But let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the box for the Owens Geobaskets, and it's the same box as the Owens mainline Ramones with the Owens inscribed on the front of it. I know you see that oil, no Diddy, there's just some Vaseline on my hands and I stained the box. Inside the box, it does come with a tote bag. The tote bag is different from the ones that came with the Ramones. The ones that came with the Ramones were brown, while this one is a gray closer to the color of the box. I rather this one a little bit more just because it's gray and I feel like I could wear gray with more outfits. The main event right here, as you can see, these are the Geobaskets and the jumbo lace versions. Man, I'm in love. This colorway is milk, which is a cream color. The rubberized sole is in that milk. The upper calf leather is in that milk, while the laces are pearl color, and those jumbo holes for the lace holes just because they're jumbo laced. I know you see those teeth at the bottom, and that's for gripping, with the Owens inscribed on the back heel. It comes with that silver hardware that I love, and I think it's a good quality hardware. I got it in a size 10.5 or 43.5 European size. Inside the shoe, you can see that Owens portrait that most of his mainline shoes have, and there's not too much to say about this. I'm so happy I copped it, and it's a beautiful, beautiful shoe, and I've been wanting it for a long time. I'm so happy I copped this shoe. I'm happy I copped it with the jumbo laces instead of the regular ones, just because I feel like the jumbo laces work with this exaggerated huge tongue. I feel like it looks better with the jumbo laces because the tongue is so big. That's just my opinion. But I'm so happy to cop this shoe, and there's not too much to say, man. This shoe's fire. It's hard, no Diddy. But man, I'm happy I copped it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and see you guys in the next video. Easy.